Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today's recipe is how to make chili bajjis. So here the ingredients what I've used is big chilies, which you specially get only to do these bajjis, salt, ginger garlic paste, water, a pinch of soda is enough, jeera powder, oil, besan, chili powder and rice flour. So now I have taken the besan. So to this I will mix rice flour, now I will add jeera powder, chili powder, as we are using big chilies where they are only very spicy, so just add a bit of chili powder so that it doesn't turn too spicy. So now I will add ginger garlic paste, which will give you a very good flavor and a taste, and some salt, pinch of soda is very must, oil just to mix a bit, not too much. So you can add a little bit of water according to the paste. So just keep adding a bit of water and then keep mixing it so that there is no lumps. So you can make this recipe at home when your friends or relatives come home, and very good recipe for tea time. Just be careful with kids because they should not feel it too spicy also. So now this consistency is exactly right. So now I'll keep some oil for deep fry. So just dip the chilies into the paste and then put them to the oil. So now they are ready, you can serve them. So once it turns golden brown, you can shift it to the eating plates. So please try the recipe. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel without fail. Thank you.